Mine smells way better than yours. So yours smells like roaches, cockroaches, bugs, grass, and yucky dirt. And yours is black, gray, and brown. Mine is rainbow, dirt, and it smells like roses. Hey guys, it's Ellie and Naya, and today we are playing Don't Choose the Wrong Mouthwash. And as you see, we have 2 lollipops. And
wait, they don't see the 2 lollipops. They're on the side.
Whoever wins gets to choose which lollipop you want. And then the other person gets the other lollipop. Yeah.
Which I don't see how this is a loser in this situation.
There's no loser because we may lose.
As you can see, we have all types of mouthwashes here. We have Shopkins, Emoji, Peppa Pig, My Little Pony, lots of different mouthwashes. Okay guys, if you don't know, we have our Anicorns, which is our annual Christmas toy. You can collect them all right now. We have Puppy Corn, Kitty Corn, Teddy Corn, and Bunny Corn. We're gonna play teams. Let's see. I think Naya's gonna be team Teddy Corn, and Ellie is gonna be team Kitty Corn. You can collect those at theanicorns.com. Don't drop them on the floor like Ellie just did.
No, Kitty Corns look cuter.
Excuse me, all of the Anicorns are beautiful. We don't have our merch on right now, but you guys can collect our merch on the link on the screen on Teespring. We have pillows and t-shirts. But I think it's time for rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I could you.
Okay, so here are some numbers. Ellie, close your eyes and pick a number.
Oh, plus I thought that I was going first.
Wait, it was you going first, right? Didn't you win? Okay.
Yeah.
Kitty Corn? What did she get, Kitty? M. This is 3. I was like, M? What is she talking about? All right, so here is 3. She got some Emoji mouthwash. Let's see if she has slime or mouthwash.
Because I actually need some mouthwash. Is it glue?
No, she got glue. You got glue.
What does it smell like mouthwash do?
It smells like...
What is it? Mash? Wash. I said
no,
mash.
You said mouthwash.
I said mash.
You said
everybody look at mouthwash, mouthwash.
All right, Naya, close your eyes and pick that one at the top. Let's see what you have.
Bye.
Okay, so Naya has this Shopkin mouthwash. She got number 5. As you can see, there's a 5. Guys, leave a comment. Are you team Naya or are you team Ellie? And what do you think Naya has? Let's see. Naya, open it up and let's see if you have mouthwash. Is it mouthwash or glue?
Oh, I got mouthwash.
Is it mouthwash?
No, it's not.
It's glue.
No, I got orange. She got pink in the wheelhouse. Come on, Shawty. Bring it to mommy. Come on, Shawty. That's copyright.
If this song is copyright, then they need to go to jail for this song. Okay, so Ellie, it is now your turn. Can you please take the glue top out of your mouth? Okay.
Mouth.
All right, pick your number. This is your bowl. Let's see. I bet you have 12.
I got
12?
No, I got equal.
11.
Yeah, I got this equal too, and I got
guys, she calls this the equal. Okay, so let's see number 11 and take a look.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if she has, what is it, mouthwash? Mouthwash? Or glue?
Mouthwash.
At least it matches what you already have in your bowl. Let's see. Oh.
I got mouthwash.
Okay, be careful spilling it.
What if we get all the...
All right, next round.
Like
Naya, close your eyes and pick a number.
I'm talking to you. You'll never know. 6.
All right, so you got a 6. Let's see. It's blue, Peppa Pig. Oh, Ellie, you love Peppa. She has Peppa Pig. So look how cute he is. Oh, Peppa. Let's see if you're Peppa mouthwash or glue. It looks like
mouthwash, Sally.
Glue! All right, Ellie, so pick yours. Let's see what number you get.
I got B.
B?
B sounds...
That's a 9.
I got pink.
So...
And the house.
So Ellie got pink.
You got black and brown.
She got pink Shopkins. Guys, let's see Did Team Ellie win their pink? Guys, if you're Team Ellie, let us know. I hope you guys got glue and not mouthwash.
So otherwise that would be so
Let's
I'm gonna
see.
open it.
Let's see what Team Ellie got. Pour it in.
I got mouthwash.
She got.
Why is it not?
Kid, you're not. Okay, Ellie. Really? All right, let's let Naya go because this is taking too long. Okay, Ellie got mouthwash. Let's see. What is going on?
I number. Understand.
What number are you?
I am 12.
Okay.
12.
This is a My Little Pony mouthwash, 12, and it's blue. Team Naya, I hope you guys are prepared. Is it mouthwash or glue? Pour it and let's see.
Oh, I like this mouthwash. It's good.
It's glue.
No, but it smells like the. It smells so good. This is
Mine smells way better than yours. So yours smells like roaches, cotton, bugs, grass, and yucky dirt. And yours is black, gray, and brown. Mine is rainbow, dirt, and it smells like roses.
Oh, what is? All right, so let's
And
put.
yours smells like farts.
Okay.
And mine
All right,
smells like
Ellie.
towels.
Okay, Sparty, Ellie. All right, close your eyes.
Sure, Ellie the belly. They call me Ellie the belly.
You have 8, and oh, you also get a My Little Pony, My Little Pony wash mouth.
Here's your wash mouth, dear. No, it's washy.
All right,
Washy.
Team Ellie, I hope you're winning. Leave a comment, give Ellie encouragement to open
She's
the.
open
Ellie,
I'm weak and old.
You're weak and old.
Maybe it's a mouthwash.
Here you go.
Open it.
Let's see. Is it wash mouth or glue? She got glue, guys.
Wait, that is like a black.
You said my stuff is dry. Now.
Now pour that whole thing.
Now time has turned on you.
And now yours is black.
All right, Naya, close your eyes and pick a number. What do you have?
2.
All right, so we have another Peppa Pig, number 2. All right, let's see what Naya has.
Mouthwash, bro. Nice kind of.
This smells like cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Okay,
She got glue.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it smells like cucumbers.
All right, close your eyes. Here, Ellie, pick yours. And I'll pick the ball. Let me know what number you have.
I got number
7.
I got number L.
Okay, she got an L. She got an L for losing.
Why does she keep
Okay,
getting-
here is Ellie has the last emoji mouthwash, number 7. Team Ellie,
She does mouthwash.
she got glue,
I'm
guys.
taking away the black.
All right, Naya,
And
close
this
your eyes
smells
and pick your.
Bubble gum.
All right, let's see what you got.
4.
You just love some Peppa Pig, so we're gonna.
Peppa Pig is my best friend.
All right, pour it in and let's see what you have.
Mouthwash.
Is it?
Thank you for getting my sister mouthwash.
How dare you say that I'm gonna put this mouthwash in your mouth?
Now we're going to choose. Ellie, you're going to choose a number. Then Naya's going to choose a number. And we're going to see. Don't open it yet. Just choose. Don't open it. All right. On the count of 3, you're going to open it. 1, 2, 3.
10.
Okay. Ellie has 1 and Naya has 10. But you know what we're going to do?
What?
We're going to do a switch up. So you guys are going to do rock, paper, scissors, and the person who wins can decide to switch up or keep their mouthwash. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Yeah!
Ellie, would you like to keep your number 1, or would you like to trade it for a 10?
Keep.
Okay, so Ellie is keeping her pink Shopkins number 1, and Naya is
Of course
taking
she's keeping
her
it.
10, her number 10 blue. All right, let's open and pour at the same time. Let's see, guys. You let us know. What do you think each one has? Mouthwash or glue? Looks like
Naya
Ellie has glue, and Naya has mouthwash.
Use me! No, I'm kidding. I'm so happy.
So I'm gonna pour some tied into Naya's, and
Oh,
some
and Ellie.
tied into Ellie's. I don't think that's going to be enough.
It's making awkward. Should we just mix it up with our hand?
All right.
Yeah.
Here are your spoons. Don't mix yet. No mixing, no mixing. Let's get a close-up of what your bowls are looking like. So here is Naya's. Naya, why don't you start mixing? Let's see what you get. I'm pretty sure this is going to end up blue.
If it doesn't end up blue, I'm gonna be.
I wonder if this mouthwash is going to turn into slime or not.
My sounds can be.
All right, Ellie, let's see what yours is going to do. It looks like fire and ice, like Game of Thrones. Dun, 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 dun,
Mine is ice and yours is fire. My mix. I am from Game of Thrones. What does this smell like? Oh my god. What does yours smell like? Bubblegum. Mine smell like fruity stuff. Thank you.
And you guys finally got your colors. Naya has her blue and Ellie has her pink. Ellie needs a lot more.
Mommy.
Did you eat it?
No, I was trying to smell it and then
Did it hit your face? Okay, guys, so we've been mixing, and now we're going to pour out our slimes onto the table. You ready?
Mine's definitely ready.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
Ellie, yours came out like a slug. Wait, he's a little...
Mine looks like water slime.
Ellie, yours is kind of jelly-like. I don't know what's happening with yours.
It's water. Mine's falling, water, sweet. Mine has too much mash wash.
Mash wash.
What is mash wash?
Wait, whoa, Naya, your slime is like...
Ellie's is so cool.
Ellie's looks like jelly, like little
Mine
jelly.
has soap in it.
So team Teddy Corn is Naya. Let's see what Team Teddy Corn is working with. Whoa!
Oh!
Look at this slime, guys. It is definitely a true blue slime.
Team Teddy Corn?
You are Team Kitty Corn. So let's look at Team Teddy Corn. It's a little soapy. The mouthwash is a little... I think maybe that...
It looks like I took somebody's bead. It looks like I took somebody's bead off. See? Let's make some hand slides.
So guys, Ellie's really set up really nicely. We thought it was chunky at first, but it's really smooth. We thought it would be soapy, but look, the texture has come out really, really pretty, like bubblegum slime. It's really nice. And then this is Naya.
This is the best slime we've
Naya
ever made.
says this is the best slime she's ever made in her life. Take a look at that. Look at Ellie's slime, guys. It is working. It is not lumpy anymore. It all blended to bubblegum slime. Let us know, whose team are you repping? The blue or the pink on Naya and Ellie? Do you guys want to mix them together?
No, I don't. I love
Yes! So that's
yes.
No. No, Ellie, Naya doesn't want to. Let's see. I don't know. I think I'm not going to announce a winner. I'm just going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the lollipop.
No, guess who gets it?
Rock, paper, scissors. Everybody go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Naya, which lollipop do you want?
I want the strawberry. No, I want the mystery one.
That's it for our video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I don't know, have you hit the notification bell yet?
Wait, they haven't?
Please hit it.
I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3. Did you hit? Okay, now we can finally end the video.
All right, guys. Make sure we check out 9 TV, Ellie TV, and 9 Ellie Toy Show. Bye, guys.